Today I'm going to teach you how to change the font of columns, rows, and message preview in Outlook. Start by opening your Microsoft Outlook app and logging into your account so all your emails can load in. Once everything is loaded and you can see your inbox, we're ready to begin making the font changes. These settings will affect how your entire inbox looks, so it's helpful to customize them to match your preferences and make reading emails more comfortable. Now that your emails have loaded, navigate to your inbox pane and look at the top menu bar. From there, locate the View tab and click on it. This tab contains all the visual settings for how Outlook displays your emails. Under the View tab, you'll see several different view settings laid out. What you're looking for here is the View Settings button, which is represented by a gear icon. Go ahead and click on that button, and an advanced View Settings window will appear on your screen. This is where all the deeper customization options are stored, including the font settings we need to change. From the View Settings window, look for the button labeled Other Settings and click on it. This opens up another window with more detailed options. Here you'll see two important sections, column font and row font. These control how the text looks in different parts of your inbox. Click on either the column font or row font button, depending on which one you want to adjust first. A font customization window will appear right away. In this window, you'll see options for font, font style, and size. Take a moment to browse through the available fonts and select the one you prefer. You can also adjust the font style, such as bold or italic, and change the size to make the text larger or smaller based on what feels most comfortable to read. Once you've set the font for columns or rows, look further down in the same window and you'll see a section for message preview. This controls the font used in the small preview text that appears beneath each email subject line. Click on the font button again within this section and set the font, font style, and size for the message preview just like you did before. This gives you full control over how preview text appears in your inbox, which can make scanning through emails much faster and easier. After you've configured all the font settings for columns, rows, and message preview, click OK to apply the changes. Outlook will immediately update the appearance of your inbox to reflect the new font choices. You can now see how everything looks with your customized settings. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.